11th, 12th, your future starts here. ನಿನ್ನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Strong steps, bright minds, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ journey shines. Science paths that open wide, mentors always by your side. Samarth Academy, Samarth Academy. Learn today, lead tomorrow.
Samarth happened to me. It is a 20 plus years journey now. Every child is unique. They have their own potential. And here at Samarth, our focus is clear. We deal with every child as they are. When the kids are accepted as they are, they feel homely and they perform well. Right guidance, strong fundamentals and consistent mentoring is what we strongly believe in. After 10th, before graduation, these 2 years are very important in students' life. So we have to work on their strength, and here psychometric assessment will help.
Psychometric assessment is nothing but the measure of our psyche. Psyche is equal to our brain. Metric is nothing but measure. It helps the child unleash the potential in them based on their personality, their career interests, the career motivators, their learning style, and last but not the least, our aptitude.
ಇನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗು ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕು ನಾವು. Physics, chemistry, maths in line, computer science to all combine. Biology as one more stream, shape your future, build your dream.
For NEET goals and JEE flights, we guide you through the toughest nights.
CET goals and every test. Samarth jotege your rise to your best.
The physics can be learned only through concepts and doing some problems based on that. So physics can be understood only by solving the problems. So the beauty of physics lies in solving the problems. So once the students are taking interest on this subject, and it's science, particularly physics, chemistry, mathematics, all subjects are very interesting one. They should have some involvement. Once they get into that involvement, definitely they can enjoy the subject like anything. It's a very joyful. So science itself is a joyful one. So students have to make use of it.
Physics, chemistry, maths, computer science, and biology.
NEET, JEEM.
CET, choose your path. Your future starts with Samarth. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ninna dari illi shuru. Samarth jotege.
Yeah, my son right now currently he's studying in BITS Pilani, electronics. Yearly taken care about all my son's studies, subjects, and now he is a happy kid in BITS. Again, I would say that no two kids are same. Even my two kids are not same. As my son, he needed a different kind of teaching, and my daughter needs different kind of teaching. And for both, Samarth has worked very well.
Samarth Academy, Samarth Academy, where young scientists are made.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕರು ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ.